Oh, Brian won again.
Oh, man. I didn't even work it.
Dad, if you push me, push him on the bottom. Blocks him. You have to hold it sideways. He won. Play again. Look, Papa's crying. Play again, Brian.
Ready?
So easy to play.
The heck, man? Which one am I? Which side?
The right side.
That side?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Are you really trying?
Nah, I don't even know what I'm doing.
Get the hand.
What do you do to hit? You just go there?
Yeah,
you
you
don't have to
swing.
mash that
You
button.
had it straight. It
You
doesn't
swing
matter.
as if you're holding a real sword, swinging at
You
someone.
don't have to hit that button, though?
Nope.
No.
Brian's waiting
Wait a
for you.
minute. Wait a minute.
You don't have to push the A. You just have to be between the arrows.
Now that I'm playing home.
Brian's sad, that's what he said.
Uh-oh. Papa is whooped
Now it's a
out
tie.
here. Get ready. Get ready.
You're gonna put this on a CD, right? Get him, Brian. Get him, hurry. Get him, Brian, get him. Get him, Brian. Oh,
Oh no, Papa.